Hey guys, Mr. Bowman here. This is a quick little instruction on how to use your graphics calculator to help plot and draw cubic graphs. So on the main menu, what I want you to do is I want you to go into the graphs mode, which is 3. Once you're in graphs mode, you'll be able to enter in the equation that you're interested in. And I'm going to make up a random one, x plus 5, x minus 1, and then x plus 1. Once I've done that, I'm going to click execute, and then I'm going to hit F6, and I'm asking the calculator to draw that cubic. The points we need to identify to draw the cubic are each of the x-intercepts, the y-intercept, which is going to be down there, and you also may want to calculate the 2 vertex or vertices as well. So the first step to calculate the x-intercepts, I want you to go into the gsolve function, and the x-intercept is this root, f1. So that's asking what are the x-intercepts of this equation. So if we're going to click F1, and it's found the first x-intercept there. The only issue is it hasn't told you what these other 2 ones are. To find those 2, I want you to scroll right, and that'll move you to the next x-intercept. And after that, one more x-intercept, we can find that there. And if you clicked over again, it'll just bring you back to that last one. So that was x-intercepts. When you're drawing your graph, you'd want to draw a dot on each 3 of the x-intercepts, and that'll help you set the tone for your cubic. The next point of interest is always going to be the y-intercept. So again, we're going to go into gsolve, and we're going to use F4, which is that y-intercept function. And it's come up already, 0, -5. We can't see this y-intercept because it's somewhere down here. But that would be another dot to draw on your graph, and that will allow you to kind of connect the dots to help you draw that cubic. And the final points I want to show you are about finding the vertices. So more often than not in your cubics, you can't see the vertex up here, you can't see the vertex down here. To make them visible, you need to go to the view window, and you need to change the scale of the axes. So here we can only see down to 3, here we can only see up to 10. So we need to change those. So that's our y-axis. Let's change our minimum to -10, and let's change our maximum to 20. And hopefully that lets us see. We're going to click draw once we've made that change, and all of a sudden we can now see the minimum and the maximums, or the vertices. To find the exact points, we're going to use our gsolve function again, and we've got 2 things up here, maximum and a minimum. So this max button, F2, that's going to find the maximum, which is some decimals. So it's not perfect, but it'll help you draw the graph. And gsolve again, if you click minimum, it'll help you find the minimum. So knowing the x-axis, the maximum, the next x-axis, the y-axis, and the minimum, and that x-intercept, you'll be able to connect those dots to create your cubic in your books. Hopefully you found this video useful.